Hey, Aiden, come here. Aiden, come here. You're on video camera.
You what?
Aiden, you're on video.
Did you charge it?
No, but it has 2 bars. Hey, Aiden, come here. You want to look at the camera? It's recording you. Say hi to the camera. Can you say hi? Hi. Say hi, Aiden.
Looks like that.
Can you wave again? Have fun.
Can I be on video too?
Wow.
Smiles.
You got some pretty
Mommy.
Very good.
Mommy.
Stop that.
How come you're talking baby talk?
He's got blueberries in his mouth.
Oh.
Hey, Tori, can I see that?
Can you say aloha, Aiden?
Letting it thaw in there?
Aiden, can you say aloha?
Can you say, hey, look at the camera and say, aloha.
Aloha.
Oh, I'm going to come over to you and so I can hear it. Can you say aloha again? Say aloha. Say aloha.
Aloha. Aloha. Aloha. Maliki liki maka. Say maliki liki maka. Liki maka. Liki.
Melikiliki maka.
What's that for?
Hey, I'm
Maliki liki maka is the thing.
Melikiliki maka.
Hey, liki maka.
Hey. Over there anyway.
Hey, Aiden, say this. Maliki.
We have a fake one, a real skinny topiary.
Sit to the camera right there. So can you say it right here? Say Maliki maka.
It's the thing we say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day.
No.
Melikiliki maka.
Maliki maka.
Oh, very good.
Oh! And I missed it.
Melikiliki maka. Melikiliki maka.
That's my Aunt Marion. That's my Uncle Doug. Oh yeah, he's waving. And that's my little brother John. That's my mom. And that's Aiden boy. I love him.
Yeah.
I love you, Aiden. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye, Aiden? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Aloha, because it's hi and bye.
Say aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha.